Hey friends, in this video we are going to talk about this question, one of the very important question and common question in the exam. Now, what is the question? Insert 4 number between 4 and 19 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. So what we have to do is the first and the last number is given, that is 4 and 19, and we have to insert 4 values between it. Let's say the 4 values are x1, x2, x3, x4 and 19. So what is the question is, insert 4 numbers between 4 and 19 such that this whole sequence is in AP. So what we have to do is, हम लोग को first of all we have to see that the first term is given, that is a is equals to 4. That is the first term. This is nothing but the first term. First term a is given, that is 4, and 19, that is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Sixth term is also given, so nothing but a6, that is the sixth term is 19. And by the definition of AP we know that the formula of nth term, that is for nth term an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a6 will be equals to a plus 6 minus 1 into d, that is equals to a plus 5d, and that is given as 19. Yes, now a is also given, यहाँ पर a हमें भी दे दिया गया है, that is 4. So a is 4 and 5d, that is equals to 19. Now from here d will be for 19 minus 15, and d will be 3. 15 by 5, that is 3. So we have got 3 from here, from this equation a6. Now अब हमको d अगर मिल गया है, a हमें पता है, so obviously we can get this 4 term also. So what will be this 4 terms? The first term is 4 and the common difference is 3. So the next term will be obviously 4 comma 4 plus 3, that is equals to 7. The next term will be 7 plus 3, that is obviously equals to 10, and the next term will be 10 plus 3, that is equals to 13. Next term will be 13 plus 3, that is equals to 16, and the last term is already given, that is 19. So the series or the 4 terms that we want to find, x1 that is 7, x2 is 10, x3 is 13 and x4 is 16. So the series of this 6 term will be, क्या होगा मेरा series 4, 7, 10, 13 and 16, and last one is 19. So I hope ये समझ में आया होगा आपको कि कैसे करके हम लोग इस क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं, एंड दैट इज़ वेरी इजी. बहुत आसानी से समझ में आ रहा होगा, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. फिर भी अगर कोई डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट से पूछिए, एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.